Today we're going to be demonstrating the capability of the Boston Dynamics arm, so showing that as a real-world usable payload for Sellafield to be going into remote cells to carry out manipulation tasks, so actually to undertake something, not just sensing and taking data.
So Spot's arm is effectively an integrated second robot that is connected to Spot. So Spot and the arm work in tandem with one another.
The arm has the ability to open doors, has the ability to drag objects up to about 50 pounds. It can carry an object around 10 pounds and it can just pick up about 20 pounds. There's a camera in the gripper of the arm where you can look up and over or look into something. So when you're trying to get at those sort of tough angles, the arm helps for inspection as well.
The assistance in the AI of the robot makes it so that an operator can benefit from the robot's perception of its environment. So if they're trying to conduct these behaviors when the operator themselves is not physically present. So it's something that makes the arm a really powerful addition to Spot's capabilities.
Where I think Spot will be of most use at the moment is in these older facilities where there's a lot of work need to be done in terms of the asset condition, exactly what's in what places, taking operator rounds, taking readings. And the beauty of something like Spot is one, very, very adaptable and flexible and able to get to places, and two, able to do it consistently.
One of the key things we're looking at is the safety of our workforce. We want to make sure that we can move humans away from harm, and looking at devices like Spot to do the kind of jobs that are repetitive, that require the ability to get into the same position and do the same measurements time after time is a great potential application.
You know, we can now look at things like waste manipulation within cells, we can look at swabbing, health physics monitoring, and we're looking at freeing up our highly trained workforce. That trained personnel can then go into more complex tasks.
We, as Boston Dynamics, are bringing the expertise for mobility and for the navigation of the robot, but we aren't ourselves experts necessarily in infrared scanning or in radiation mapping. And so a partnership like as what we're doing today involves us coordinating with the people who are building those sensors, but also the operators of those sensors.
So we work very, very closely with Boston Dynamics, who provide the equipment. We add the value onto that through the integration of new technologies, and then bring that as business as usual, as a deployable technology for Sellafield.
Today's demonstration has been absolutely amazing. To be able to see Boston Dynamics showcase what they've built up over the past 5 years and where they see that vision going in the future has been absolutely amazing to see. We've got a lot of challenges on our site, not just at Sellafield but across the NDA group, and the technologies that they're developing to help us get into those environments, work autonomously, is going to be a massive game changer for us in the future.